Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot YouTube channel. And today we're going to be looking at your flat motor. You either have a 2-place or a 4-place flat motor. They're similar, but a little bit different. Let's explore it. So we would like to ask you, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now you'll see that the worm drives are very similar, but you can see the difference where the motor in the 2-place, it's all one housing where it joins the worm shaft, and in the 4-place, as you saw, the flat motor unbolts and comes off. Now you also have to take the 4-place flat motor completely apart to get at the brushes that are down here, whereas in the 2-place you can change your brushes. There's one on this side and there's one hiding right under there. You take out that cap screw, there'll be a spring attached to the brush, so you won't have to worry about losing the spring. But that's the 2-place, that's what it looks like, and that's the 4-place. And again, they're both 12 volts. Ken Blackman and I tracked down the rumor that you might notice that our seat rails in our Grummans look very much like the rails inside of hospital equipment cabinets and stuff. And we also think that these are from a hospital bed, and this was the motor that drove the raising the bed up and down. And but anyway, this one's got the original label. Now, the original motors were sent off and certified by Cessna and put a label on them to make sure they were approved for aircraft. But you'll have to kind of look at this one. It's RAE. It's a 12-volt, weighs 5 pounds, and it's the RA Motor Corporation, McHenry, Illinois. So that's the 2-place. And there's the 4-place. So that's what they look like.
So there you go. Everything you want to know about the 2- and the 4-place flat motor, how they're similar and how they're different. We hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.